So you're excited and you got your DJI Mic 3. I'm going to show you how to update your firmware. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to easily update your firmware on your DJI Mic 3 that you just got. Alright, so two things you're going to need. You're going to need the case with the units inside, and you're also going to need your phone. First thing you need to do is open the Mima app. If you don't have your Mima app, you need to download the DJI Mima app. Once you have downloaded it, you need to open it like I do here. Once it's open, then you open your case. Then you're going to take out the middle unit. You can actually close your case. So once you have this out, you're going to see that little notification about the app. You just kind of click on the OK for that. Then what you need to do is you can double tap the center wheel like so. Then you get here, or if you want, you can just swipe down and you get there the same way, okay? Now what you need to do is you need to toggle all the way to where you see app. Then you press the center unit. Down you're gonna see that there, then you click on continue. Let's just click on continue right there. So now it's telling you that it's ready to be connected. The next thing that you need to do now is you're gonna open the app, click on the camera. You're going to see that it actually found the actual unit itself. All right. Now what you do is you click on connect. Once you click on connect, you're going to wait. Now you're going to get this code right here. All you need to do now is you're going to just look on your unit and you click on confirm. Let's just make sure it's confirmed. Then it's going to just cycle through. Now your phone, you just click on join. And you wait for it to actually join. You're going to see that it's actually cycling through right there. Now that you have actually been connected to the app, you will notice now that you will see the actual unit here, and this is where you can actually, cycle through the menu and actually control different features from your phone to the unit itself. All right, so now what we need to do, guys, is all I'm going to do now is you're going to have this little three dots on the upper right hand side right here. You're going to click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to see that it says, where it says general, you're going to see where it says about device. You're going to tap on that. Once you tap on that, now it actually shows you the information, the device name and your serial number. Once that happens, now you're going to see where it says firmware version. All you're going to do is just tap on that. Once you tap on that now, you're going to see this screen right here, and it shows you what is actually going to be improving. It says improved wireless transmission stability and also fix some known issues. All right, so now once you have this screen here now, you're just going to click on the firmware transfer, and then now you're just going to allow it to go through and download. If you want to make sure you know that everything is happening, all you do, you're going to just look at the unit itself, and you're going to see that it's showing you that something is actually happening there, okay? So that's pretty much it. So if you guys are enjoying this video, guys, in the meantime, can you just smash that like button? Now, if you guys are new to the channel, just subscribe for more. Let's get back to the video. All right, so now that you have actually completed, now you're going to see that little check mark. All you're going to do is you're going to click on done. Once you click on done, you're going to actually see some information right here. It's telling you exactly what you need to do, but I'm just going to show you guys. You don't necessarily have to go through and read it, but you can actually pause the screen right now and actually read it, okay? So now what you're going to do is just going to put your phone to the side. You can then click on the OK, because you're pretty much done. What you're going to do now, you're going to open your case. Once you open your case, now you're just going to actually put the unit on the inside. Once you do that now, you're going to see that it's showing you that you need to now update. So all you're going to do is just going to tap on update. And there you go. So once it's actually going to go through and actually update each of the mics. So you're going to start with the one on the right first, then it's going to go to the one on the left. Then it's going to actually update the firmware actually on the case as well. So just be patient and allow it to just go through and do its thing. And if you guys actually want to know what it's actually doing, if you look at the actual unit here on the side, you're going to see that it's actually flashing red. That's how you know that this is the actual one that is being updated right now. If you look at the other one, you'll see that is actually a stagnant green right there, okay? But try not to take out the units out the case because it's actually doing the update right now. And I would actually warn that you make sure that you actually charge the case and also the unit as well. So you don't want to run out of battery and actually fail during the actual update itself, because it might cause some issues with each of the units. All right, just keep that in mind, guys. So you will notice now that the actual red light stopped flashing on this particular mic. Now it's actually moved over here to this one right there. You can actually see the light flashing right there. So now we're on to the second mic. So the light on the mic has actually stopped flashing. The one thing I noticed too is that you will actually see these lights flash a while ago, but it happened so quickly I didn't get to show you guys. I'm sorry about that. But now that the unit is upgraded, you're gonna see right there where it says that update successful. And that's how you know that you have actually completed the update for your mic. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. So if you guys did enjoy this video, smash that like button, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe for more. And you might be interested in this video over here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.